Let's share the quick chicken snack recipe. Make small cuts so it's marinate well. Add vinegar sauce. Add red chili sauce, and if you don't have, you can skip this. Add soy sauce. Add black pepper, salt, and chaat masala. I am adding 1 lemon. I am adding refined wheat flour and 1 egg. Add garlic or ginger powder. Mixing, mixing, mixing. I am adding baking powder. If you don't have or like, then you can skip. I have 2 types of chicken ready to fry. This one was egg. And the second one is without egg. We will let you know which one is better. Let's fry. I am adding oil. Cook on low flame. I love to cook when I am feeling bored. Let's eat with ketchup and mayonnaise. Sorry, we forgot to make video without egg one after fry. My sister like without egg one, and I love the egg one. Do try both. Thanks for watching our recipe. Stay blessed.